Little David took the giant out with one little stone and his toy. Everybody was amazed. They were caught off guard. They couldn't believe that this little boy took out this giant and he became the king. The little child led them. And then David went on to become the greatest king in the history of the Israelites, the man after God's own heart, who teaches us how to worship, how to serve, how to live a life of peace. And then David's ego got the best of him. This is the part of the story we don't like to tell, Pastor Tucker. David's ego got the best of him, and he put his big boy britches on, and he started acting as if he didn't know who he was or whose he was. Things went awry, Miss Ruby. The oppressed became more oppressed instead of less oppressed. And they started losing wars instead of winning wars to bring peace, because it wasn't no longer about peace. It was about conquering. And David had to go. Because when we no longer serve the purposes of God, there's no reason for us to be leading anybody, even ourselves. And then years and years later, knowing that this promise is here, there is a Messiah to come. Spoiler alert. Comes as an infant, meek and lowly, and a little child shall lead them. There's a lot of noise in our world. There's a lot of noise in our communities. There's a lot of noise in our church. There's a lot of noise in our cars. There's a lot of noise everywhere. When's the last time you just cut it off? Be still and know that I am God. Be quiet and hear the knowledge and counsel of the Lord. Pastor, I don't know if the Lord is paying attention to what's going on. Where is God? When's the last time you got still and got quiet so you could hear from the Lord?